NBC29 forecast.
Well, after the rain, always nice to catch a rainbow. Elizabeth Dunkel in Nelson County at her location captured that nice shot. Of course, we've had some downpours, as you well know, this afternoon, and some of that producing some locally heavy rain. Still some lighter rain at the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. Made it up to 82 this afternoon prior to some of those showers developing, and just over 0.6 of an inch of rainfall from this afternoon. As we look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley, it's 69 with cloudy skies there in Weir's Cave. And again, it still remains quite humid, but those humidity levels should come down later tomorrow. The temperatures right now, they've certainly been impacted by the clouds or the rain around. 69 in Madison. We've got 70 in Palmyra, 67 there in Waynesboro. And again, Dillon, you've seen some rain. You've got some right off to your west, so you will cool down. Here's a look at the radar over the last 4 hours since shortly after 2 o'clock. Activity moving from northwest to southeast, and some of these downpours have produced rainfall rates greater than an inch per hour. Right now, some of the heaviest activity is kind of on the southern edge of our viewing area, kind of exiting portions of Fluvanna County, south and east of Fork Union, more into Cumberland, and then we get into Buckingham County. You can still got some heavier downpours south and west of Dillon, headed down toward the Andersonville area, and then just some moderate rain here through portions of Nelson County, out toward Rockfish and Lovingston, out toward Massey's Mill, and then just generally some lighter rain now through Charlottesville, out toward Palmyra, Louisa, up toward Orange and Madison. So temperatures here overnight pretty much in the mid to upper 60s. There could still be an additional shower or two, but the bulk of some of the heaviest activity occurred this afternoon, as you well know, and then we will have some fog to develop overnight. Now tomorrow morning likely begins with a lot of clouds. Then we'll start to see some breaks of sunshine with some clearing, but we're not yet done with maybe a passing shower or two. But the coverage should be a lot less here for Thursday than what we saw this afternoon, and temperatures will range anywhere from the mid 70s to around 80. Matter of fact, as we go through the afternoon tomorrow and tomorrow night, Friday, and the start of the weekend, a much drier trend will take over. Temperatures will kind of hover in the upper 70s and lower 80s during that time period. Well, we had a front that came through, and that's off to our south, but area of low pressure along the front is off the coast, and some wraparound energy has spawned some of these showers and thunder showers this afternoon. A lot of that's enhanced by the daytime heating, so once we lose the sunshine heating, it goes to the sunset, and the robustness of some of these showers will begin to decrease a bit. High pressure will build in from the west over the next several days, and that'll promote a drying trend. Well, we have 2 hurricanes in the Atlantic Basin. Danielle, that's no threat to any landmass. Some of that energy maybe later next week may head toward Portugal and Spain, but this is Earl, and Earl will continue to strengthen. Matter of fact, now set to become the first major hurricane of the Atlantic hurricane season. There is a hurricane watch up now for the island of Bermuda, and while the bulk of the hurricane will pass south and east of Bermuda, the big swells and dangerous rip currents will be felt along the eastern seaboard here right through the weekend. It is forecast to become not only a Category 3 maybe with winds greater than 115 miles an hour on Friday, but then maybe a Category 4, but that's out well in the open waters of the Atlantic, and it will continue to work off into the north central Atlantic over its time period. Temperatures here on Wednesday morning will start in the 60s. Again, we'll hold on to a few more showers early tonight. Then in the morning, a lot of clouds breaking out for some sunshine, maybe a few passing showers, 75 to around 80. Friday's much drier. Temperatures will top out either side of 80. So temperatures tonight in the 60s, a few more scattered showers, muggy, areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A little drier here as we get into later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, Friday and Saturday, and then we'll have to watch another system as we get into Sunday and Monday of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be right back.